Ayo, looks like I'm producing ATP. Glucose split, now I'm forming pyruvates. Now releasing CO2, while I'm coming off energy investment phase. Here are the 5 steps ATP phosphorylate, 2 of them being used in this state. These turn into 2 ADP, 2 3-carbon sugars, but next phase got 4 ATP and 2 NADH to pull up in that energy PAM stage. Oh, now pyruvates hydroxide oxidize. Glycolysis occurs even with or without 2. Next stages may also need or not O2.
Ayo, hop on the transport protein to move on. 2 pyruvate walks on, cytosol pins on. Carboxyl into a different form, CO2 bin form. NAD plus keep on dialing NADH like it's supposed to. Coenzyme A comes on, acetyl you been on. Sulfur attaches on, a bond forms upon. Ayo, acetyl bin sleep, enzyme made it sleek. Krebs say acetyl is the first you need.
Oh, I get it. They pay me out to be the Krebs cycle. Well, it's the last time you're gonna see a cycle dominate like me. I went and copied the enzymes and sorted them into catalyze, consistently at the forefront of metabolic regulation. How many can produce energy, store it, and transport it? Not everybody like she really is the best. You play simple games while I navigate the complexities of chess. Now, allow me. I need to form large quantities of ATP and 2 pyruvates. It's the Krebs cycle, the cornerstone of cellular respiration. This is where acetyl-CoA meets oxaloacetate, initiating a series of transformations. Generative ATP, the cells end into. Call it citric acid cycle, a matter of enzymatic precision. This is Krebs cycle? Yes, the metabolic monarch. This is Krebs cycle? Yes, where each turn yields invaluable energy. In my domain, coenzymes. How many outcomes? Producing? Producing what? NADH, FADH2.
Next we got the electron transfer chain. NADH transfers electrons to FMN. FMN transfers electrons to FES. Also, FADH2 allows electrons to FES. FES passes electrons? Yes, cute. Electrons are passed in order to cytochrome C1 AC, A, and A1. Wait, electrons are passed in one more element? What? Oxygen.
You can't forget chemiosmosis.
You can't forget chemiosmosis.
Ayo, ATC takes place in the inner mitochondrial membrane, between the inner membrane space and the mitochondrial matrix. There are 3 protein complexes carrying electrons. The first carries NADH and H+ to make NAD+, releasing H+. Electrons are passed through the Q inside EC, pumping H+ to the ion space. Since electrons are passed to O2, it also selects H+ to make water. Ayo, the H ions pass through ATP synthase, which phosphorylates ADP and PI to make ATP. Cell prep starts with 2 ATP before glycolysis, then stays the same through the bridge. Before it Krebs, then Krebs up, adds 2 more, which then goes to ETC, all in the mitochondria. ETC and oxyphosphorylation makes 34 ATP. To add up all the ATPs, you get 38.